How's it going there? So Jamf, I'm not happy with this and don't know why. Alright, so let me move this screen over. Alright, so I have come across an issue, so let me get rid of these other ones. Sent you some images, but I'd rather do a video as well just in case so you have a better understanding. Device groups. Okay, I'm under Jamf School, logged in. TestNav is a strictly using for testing and whatever the case is. So I went in here, it says apps is Google Chrome. Okay, so Google Chrome technically is the only app that is on any of these devices I'll call TestNav 2022. There's 17 devices. Profiles, just want to validate. I just put this one here, right here, called Megan Form. We have a thing going on this Wednesday. So that seems to work on all devices. What doesn't work is this Google Chrome, correction, Google Chrome works. The problem is when someone looks at a device, and we're just going to pick random devices here. Okay, owner, etc., etc. That's not important. All right, so now if I go to, let's close this on alumni. Here, I go here, TestNav number 1. This iPad, it is up to date, 15.4.1. Actually, all of them are on 15.4.1. They're communicated, last connection, everything. So let me go to Manage Profiles. Okay, web clip is there, great, no problem. Manage Apps. And you're like, well, wait a second, you have TestNav. Why do you have TestNav? So in this screen, under Apps, there's only one app. There's not two apps or authorized apps on these devices. This still has it and it's installed manage. Okay, so let's go to inventory, apps inventory, open a link there. Let's go here. Here's TestNav because I searched it earlier. Here, I'll erase it, refresh just in case, for giggles. Test. Here we go. TestNav is down here, so I select this. All these settings look normal, so forth. Okay. So if you scroll down, the app will be distributed to the following devices: second grade and third grade. But the group device that I'm looking for is device group, which is here. This is device group, but it just says there's Google Chrome, which I'm happy. But here it's still deployed. Now this is the upsetting part. So if I pick one of these other iPads, maybe they will have my answer. Manage apps. Yep, test now. Oh, here we go. This is what is referral removal deferred? Will be removed on 5.8. I don't want to be removed 5.8. I told Jamf, and I removed this app last week. Let's see, what's today, 26? I would say somewhere about 20 or 21st of April. I removed this app from this device group, which is called TestNav, for that specific app. So I removed it from here. But in the iPad, it says, oh, well, we're not going to remove it until May 8th. No, I'm sorry. We can't do that. This is an app for testing for students. So there can't be any cache information, can't be anything. All data must be purged. There's certain policies we have to follow so the school institution can use this app continuously for our students. So instead of me hitting remove, which I did that to this iPad, nope, not this iPad, but I'll do it here anyways. Remove, yes, and then it's gone. So if I refresh, Manage apps, it's not there. Great, wonderful. But what happened to the old functionality where if I click this, hit TestNav or whatever other group, save, and then it deploys to this specific group? I don't want to deploy it. So what happened to that feature? It used to work. Did someone change something under my Jamf account? Can you check? Are there logs somewhere that I can either check or you can check? to see who made this change or modification, because I don't want people to be touching stuff that they shouldn't be touching. And then my other question is, well, actually, I probably should just make that one question. This one, look at this. Removal defer will be 5.2, 5.2, 5.2, 5.2. That's crazy. So again, it's not testNav specifically an issue. It's an issue with all these various apps as well. So there must be some functionality, some setting somewhere, unless it's a bug, that it does this. And this is annoying because when we deploy apps, and this app has, I don't know, we'll say 20 apps, what, 31 apps in there. And we want to deploy more, we can't because it's full. So now we have to what? Okay, remove each one out of my 17 iPads, out of my, what is it, 281 iPads that I have. So please explain. Most appreciate it. All right, have a good day. Thank you.